Hi parents, I just wanted to send a quick little message today about take-home folders, and I want to talk to you a little bit about their reading pouch and weekly homework. So for each month there will be a tic-tac-toe board with ideas, or a bingo board rather, with different columns for the different subject areas. And so your kiddos' homework each night will be to try to make a bingo, do the best you can to make a bingo, choosing one activity from each column. So you can go horizontally, you can go diagonally. Try not to go vertically, because if you do that, you'll be hitting just all of that subject area in one night, and it might be nice to kind of break that up. And so you're going to go ahead and just X off which activities you do for the night. You can leave your bingos all week and erase it on the weekend or the next week, however you would like to do that, but just try to make a different bingo each night. I want to point out there is a fluency column, and for fluency we will be working on letter naming, so this can stay in your folder all month. And what you will do is you will set a timer for 1 minute, and your kiddo will say the letter names as quickly as they can to see how many they can get in a minute. So it'll be quick, like K, F, M, Z, G, for 1 minute, to see how many letters they can get in that minute. And their goal is to try to get a few more every night. If your kiddo is stuck on a letter and they can't get it within 3 seconds, you'll just tell them the letter quickly and they'll move on to the next letter. So that will be for fluency each night. So these two things will stay in the folders all week. They won't really come out. They'll just be for you at home. On this side of the folder, the right hand side of the folder, this is where stuff goes that will need to be taken out for the night, or that needs to be left at home. So there'll be graded papers. Also each week, or each few weeks, we will send the next list of the fry words, the sight words, and it will just be your job to add that week's sight words to their ring. So this week is that, it, and is, and I think is was in the previous paper that we sent home. If you need that, let us know. But the sight words are always listed on the weekly newsletter that comes home on Friday, so just make sure you have those cut out and added to their ring. All right, and then very lastly, this is also can stay in their backpacks, and it's mainly just for use at home. Each Monday we will add the sight word reader that we did in class that day. We will also add the weekly poem in there. There will be the sight word ring where you will add the sight words of the week. So like I said, this week is that, it, and is, so you'll add that. And then next week will be his and was. You'll add those. So just add the 2 sight words of the week. And this is for when we're referring to their sight word book, we're referring to reading this. If we refer to the poem, we're referring to this. And these things can just stay in here throughout the whole week. And then it would be very helpful for us if on the weekends or before the following Monday, if you could take that week's stuff out and stick it in some sort of tub or something like this, and kind of make a little home library with past sight word books and poems, so that this doesn't get so bulky and big. So when you return this to school on Mondays, it would be helpful if it just had these things in it, kind of empty with these. Don't get rid of these, but like we said, make a little library at home. And on Mondays, just return it with the dry erase marker, the sight words, a popsicle stick, and the flashlight. I know that's a lot of information, so please message us if you have questions. But we will start our tic-tac-toe bingo homework tonight. If you have questions, be sure to just reach out to your teacher and let them know. Thank you.